Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by ensuring system updates are applied, then restart to clear transient locks. Once done, open Settings and check optional features to confirm Windows security components are present. This prevents missing files causing a white screen. Next, open Task Manager and end the Windows security process if it's unresponsive. This forces a clean restart of the app. Make sure to keep an eye on permissions and active antivirus conflicts, because third-party antivirus often blocks Defender components. Once the app is restarted, try the built-in repair option in Advanced App Settings. It replaces corrupted files without losing data. If repair doesn't resolve the white screen, choose Reset. This reinstalls the app and often clears persistent UI corruption. Make sure you've noted any custom settings first. Then, run PowerShell as administrator to re-register or reinstall the Windows security package. This fixes missing apps assets. After reinstall, launch the app so Windows can rebuild its database and UI cache. You finish by validating system integrity and user profile issues. First, inspect Event Viewer for App X or shell errors to learn why the UI fails. Note exact codes for targeted fixes. Next, create a temporary user and open Windows Security. If it works there, your profile is corrupted and you should migrate data. If the white screen persists, run System File Checker and DISM Restore Health from an elevated command, prompt to repair system components. This often resolves deeper OS corruption that breaks the Defender UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.